fuck? This rap shit getting weird, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. This rap shit getting weird. Let me go talk about. I had the flying yellow Lamborghini like 4 months ago, July, on Rockstar music video when my hair was blonde, nigga. This nigga come 4 months later to my head, the first rapper with a 3D. Boy, what you talking about? I had the 3D yellow Lamborghini 4 months ago, flying. Like, bruh, cut it out, nigga. I know I'm the GOAT, nigga. How much you spend for that chain? How much you spent for that chain? Couple $100. I don't know what the fuck going on, nigga. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I love coming and see and looking at my Rolls Royce Cullinan, my Lamborghini Urus, and my Bentley GT. I love coming. But these rap niggas be copying me, bruh. PSA, stop copying me. Stop copying me. These rappers copy me. Nigga, I was the first rapper, nigga. Now they gonna copy real nigga. I filed this bitch. These niggas be copying Big Draco. Big Draco, nigga. That's Big Draco, nigga. I ain't never in my life let a nigga or a bitch disrespect me. I ain't never in my life let a nigga and a bitch disrespect me. I ain't never let a bitch play me. I ain't let another nigga slime me out. I never go for it. I'm too thoroughbred. Why you think I'm riding Rolls Royce Cullinan? Why you think I'm riding Lamborghini Urus? Why you think I'm having anything and everything I want in life? Because I don't take no bullshit. I don't take no fuck shit from nobody. Hold on, let me block this nigga. Get out of my live, pussy boy. You commenting too much, nigga. This the Soulja Boy live. Like I said, I don't let no nigga finesse me. I don't let no nigga play me. Let no bitch play me. None of that, nigga. I'm a real street nigga. I'm at where I'm at in life for a reason, and you at where you at in life for a reason. I'm rich for a reason, and you broke for a reason. And that's just facts. It's a reason behind this. It's a reason behind this. I'm where I'm at in life for a reason. And you broke for a reason. If I ain't know what I was talking about, I'd be in your shoes and you would be in my shoes. You will be rich and I'd be broke. So obviously I know what the fuck I'm talking about. I never let a nigga play me, nigga. I never let a bitch play me, nigga. I'm not no pussy. I'm a straight gangster, nigga. And that's what I stand on, nigga. Any nigga play with my money, you gonna die. Any bitch play with my respect, any nigga play with my respect, I'ma stand on you. And that's just what it is. And some people don't like that. Some people want you to lay down and let them take advantage of you and do it. I ain't going for none of that, nigga. I never went for none of that in my life. I never will go for none of that. So don't never play with me, nigga. I'm a real boss. I'm a real CEO, nigga. I'm Big Draco, nigga. On God. Any nigga try to beef with me, I beef with him. Any nigga spit on me, I killed them. Nobody never spit. Any nigga stole from me, I slid back and spent on them. Any nigga ever did something to me, I got back. So don't ever try me. Don't never try me. I'm very petty, nigga. I'm petty, nigga, and I'm with the tit for tat, nigga. You swing at me, I'ma shoot. You hit one of you knock one of my niggas down, I'ma knock your whole gang down. You hit one of my hoes, I'ma hit all your hoes and your sister. I'm very petty, nigga. I'm very petty, nigga. I'm very tit for tat, nigga. That's why the fuck I'm where I'm at in life, and that's where you at in life. That's why I'm popping and you not. That's why I'm rich and you broke. That's why I'm hot and you cold. That's why everybody know me and don't nobody know you. Fuck, nigga. Remember that. Murder gang. I'm a fucking genius, nigga. Nobody can't fuck with me, nigga. That's what they can't stand, cause I know I'm the shit. And I look good. And I'm rich. And I ain't no pussy. I'ma let that motherfucking fire go. They know that. Nigga can't play with me. A lot of niggas can't stand that. They don't like you when you confident. They want you to feel bad about yourself. They want you to beat yourself down. They want you to be depressed, to be sad. Fuck that, nigga. I'm rich. Fuck it. All the hoes getting all the money, nigga, and I love it. And that's how it's gonna be forever. That's how it be since I came in. That's how it's gonna be when I leave, nigga. So get used to it. Whoever waiting on me to fall off, whoever waiting on me to go broke, whoever waiting on something bad that happen to me, keep waiting, bitch ass nigga, cause guess what? I got this shit figured out, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Fuck, niggas. Welcome to my world, nigga. Bitch. Can't nobody stop me but myself, nigga. You can't stop me if you wanted to, nigga. You think you can stop me? It's impossible, nigga. Fuck, niggas. Can't nobody stop me but me. Only thing that can stop Draco if I woke up and said, man, I stopped. Other than that, nigga, I can't be stopped, nigga. Fuck wrong with niggas? I can't be stopped, nigga. I got the biggest crib in LA. I got the most money. I got the most views. Nigga, stop playing with me. Niggas they hate on you when you rich. They hate on you when you get money. That's what they do. On another note, I need my hair braided, man. Tag the best hairstylist in LA. I'm gonna pay you whatever you want. God damn, I need my hair braided. You know, they be hating on a young rich nigga, you know what I'm saying? They don't want a young nigga to look fly and shit like that. Tag the best hair. I need a new hairstylist. Full-time hairstylist that come on tour with me. I'm gonna pay you whatever you want. I got you. But you gotta be good, though. You gotta know how to braid good. You can't fuck my hair up on God. Big Draco, nigga.